How to see notifications on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. In today's video I will simply guide you on how you can see notifications on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now this is really confusing because on Android how it works is that if you swipe down from top right, you will basically be able to see the notifications. But you can see on my iPhone I don't have notification. Instead I have some control panel settings only, that I have some Wi-Fi icons, some brightness toggles and so on, and I just can't see the notifications. Well, it's not that you can't see it, it's just that you're doing it the wrong way. Because to see your notifications, if you swipe from this, you can see the notch over here, right? If I swipe from this right hand side, I'll be able to see the control center. But if I want to see my notifications, I have to swipe down from the left hand side. As you can see over here, I'll swipe down from the left hand side and then you'll be able to see my notifications. In this case, if I want, now you can see notification center. I can clear all these notifications one after another, or I can just tap on the cross icon to clear everything else. So as I repeat, you have to swipe from the top left, not from the top right. This is just a key thing on iPhones that you should definitely know. And this is how you can see notifications on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.